Release day, release day, release day. All right, so you have your highs. As you know, you have your highs. We just made a video literally like last week on these. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. It's right here as well. Go check that out. Like I said, you have your highs, and like I said, today is April 26th, and these finally released. And if you have your highs, you're always gonna also have your lows, because today we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low in the Bred colorway. And which one we going with? I know a lot of the ODs are going with this. Everyone loves the highs, but these lows that we're taking a look at today, these are nice too. And I don't see these going on sale anytime soon. Let's talk about it right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Neffert. Hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. And if you've watched the video I made last week, then you know that we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11. And I told you guys in that last video that we were getting the low tops and that released today. So as you see right here, we did go ahead and pick up, I just came back like 20 minutes ago from finish line, and we're gonna be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Bred. And I like this one too because the low top version looks really, really clean. We're gonna go over it together, and I'm excited because I was waiting to go ahead and do a comparison with these and the highs. So here shortly, I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you the Air Jordan 11 Low Bred. I do wanna go ahead and give you guys your kudos and your shout outs because I greatly appreciate you guys so much, more than words can even explain. And I gotta let you guys know I take care of you first. So let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, first and foremost, before we even go ahead and take a look at the Air Jordan Retro Low in the Bred colorway, I want to give you guys your kudos and say thank you so much for all the love and support that you seriously show. It means a lot. The comment, the support, the love, all of it, it does not go unnoticed. If this is your first time checking out any of the channel, any of the content, long form, short form, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because we are on that race to 10K this year, and I know we're going to do it, but I cannot do it honestly without you guys. Like I always say, it's not me, it is we. And I really want you to know I seriously appreciate you guys so much. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and engage with the channel. Like I always say, engage, 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 engage. And you guys are really, really good at that. That's a way for me to go ahead and actually feature you guys. As long as you're engaging, you're telling me like how the videos are, if you like it, no matter what it is, I will go ahead and manually select you, like you see all these wonderful people right here. And it's a way for me to give back to you guys, because like I really appreciate you guys seriously. So if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment, engage, subscribe, and for a chance for you to get featured like you see right here. So with that said, now let's take a look at these Air Jordan 11 Low Breds. Let's go. All right, here we go. As you can see right here, like I said, we did go ahead and get it from finish line. Love the people over there. We're gonna go ahead and actually take these out of the packaging right here, or the bag. And as you can see, just like the Air Jordan 11, the high tops, it does come in the regular OG box. As you see right there, you do have your tan lid with the Nike on the swoosh right there, or the black Nike swoosh. And then as you come up right there, you have more Nike branding right there. You have the size description, which we'll read, and the same thing on this side as well. Now let's go ahead and actually read the size description. That way I can go ahead and show you guys what everything there is to see. We're looking at the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. This is the black varsity red white. I did go ahead and get a size 11. When it comes to my 11s, I usually fit true to size. And if you go that true to size, you'll be perfectly fine. This is a FV5104006 for the SKU code right there. And at first I was kind of struggling to like see that, so that's why I like hesitated. But there you go right there. Size 11, and I'm really excited to see how these hold up in comparison to the way the highs do, which we'll do a side-by-side comparison to when I get done with this review. But here we go right here. Let's go ahead and pull these open right here. And as you can see, the lid, nothing crazy, you just have a regular tan lid. But as we go ahead and pull, oh, actually, look at the, it might be a little hard to see, but check me out. You have a carbon fiber tissue paper right there, which I think is really, really cool. As we go ahead and pull these back right now, we are gonna be greeted with the 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, right here. The Air Jordan 11 in the Bred colorway, or the playoffs as other people like to call them as well, but in the low version. And these are looking really, really good. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one so we can take a look at them together. And boom, here we go right here, the Air Jordan 11 retro low Bred. And honestly, in my opinion, I feel like if you have the high tops, you don't really need the low tops. However, though, low is still a nice collection, or a nice piece to have in the collection. So let's go ahead and take a look at the, let's take a look at the left, right? I feel like the left kind of is speaking to me today. So as we go ahead and take a look at the left, we're gonna take a look at the outsole. You have the same thing like the Air Jordan 11 outsole. You have your red right there, and then you also have your translucent outsole. You have your Jumpman right there, which is done in that nice black. You have your carbon fiber on the bottom of the outsole as well, very nice. As you come up to the midsole right here, you have a nice white midsole, which goes all the way around the entirety of the shoe. As you come up, you get hit with more of that patent leather, and I like the way it bounced off that ring light, very clean, very fancy. And then as you come up, you can see more of the netting right there with that nice, wonderful material. As we come up to the back, you do go ahead and get the Jumpman logo, which is done in that nice red, and then you do have 23 on the back right here. As you come up to the toe box, you get hit with more of that black shiny patent leather for the toe box. Then as you come up, you get hit with more of the lacing, and then as we come up, you get that nice nylon tongue. When we go ahead and pull it out, the shoe tree, as you can see, it has that Nike Air right there, and it is displayed with your size description, which is very, very lovely. And it's funny because these obviously are the low cut version of the highs, but a lot of people kind of have been disliking these. I don't really know what the deal is. I kind of feel like they sold out on Nike sneakers this morning, but a lot of people are saying they'd rather prefer the highs than the lows. So I do understand that, but these are really, really nice. Let me go ahead and actually bring out the highs right now, as you can see. And look, check it out. If you have the highs, which is the wonderful, wonderful, better version of my opinion, versus the lows, they're not bad. I like the lows too. I feel like because I want to keep this in like better condition, even though I would wear this one, I also do like the low cut version too. They're not bad in my opinion. I like the patent leather on it. The red is the same red too. It's not like a different red. I think someone was saying that the red on the lows are a little bit more brighter than on the high, but I don't think so. They're still clean. If I had to take one, of course I would take the highs, but the lows are still nice too. So don't get twisted. These are clean. But let me know what you guys think about them. I'm gonna go ahead and actually break away to an on-feet review. Before I do want to give I want to give you guys a closer perspective, just because I know sometimes if like you're on the verge of like deciding if you want to go ahead and like buy something or not, then me giving you a closer perspective will help you with that. So let's take a closer look at it, shall we? Here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 11 Low Bred, and these are nice, very immaculate, very beautiful. I really enjoy this. If you don't want to go ahead and pay the high price point to get the highs, the low version you can get now, that's your other alternative. And like I said, it's not bad, just a low cut. And the low cut's been doing nice. Don't be sleeping on low cut 11s, man. I feel like sometimes a lot of people do, but I feel like these, in my opinion, because they are a throwback to that wonderful Bred colorway, I don't feel like these will be around too long. Like I said, they did go ahead and sell over on Nike sneakers, and I feel like it's just a matter of time before they also sell out in stores. So I'd say grab them while you can. I do not see these going on sale at all, but let me know what you guys think about them. These are really lovely. I do enjoy them a lot, and if you're gonna go ahead and pick them up, let me know, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review over the Air Jordan 11 retro though, in the Bred colorway. Let me know what you guys think down below on them. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away to an on-feet review right now, give you guys a closer perspective on them. And yeah, these are really, really nice. Seriously, again, I know I always say it, but I really do mean it. I really appreciate you guys. Like, your guys' comments, like, really motivate me to keep going. We're clearly, I think we're about to go hit like 7,500 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the love and support. I put a lot of work into these videos, and to see the feedback, it's very appreciated. But do let me know what you think about them. This has been your boy, this has been your kid. I love you guys so much. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.